Well, before I finish this lecture, I'd like to show you a couple of alternatives to wiring relays directly. You may be feeling a little bit uneasy with all these different wiring options and calculations. So an alternative would be to go for a relay shield for your Arduino. Now, an example is this one from my friends from Freetronics, a really nice design. You can see on the websites a lot of information. What is happening with this shield is that you've got drivers for relays. You need to provide your own relays, of course, but this board is designed to drive enough power to relays, say, up to 12 volts. According to the specifications, you get up to 115 milliamps of current that each one of these ports can provide, which is a lot for even much larger relays for this. And the whole thing is driven by this port expander chip. Remember that I've also got a lecture on this port expander, so you can find out exactly how it works and what you can do with it. Anyway, the idea is that you plug the shield on your Arduino, like with any other shield. Being careful not to break any of the pins. Okay. Now, you've got a few different ways to power the shield. The way that I've got it powered is by leaving this jumper wire open, in the open position. So this way, the relay shield and the Arduino are powered by their own power supplies, so there is no possibility of frying one or the other if you do something wrong. Right, so that's another nice thing about this shield. You can connect up to 8 relays. I've only got 2 relays connected. Now, having a look at the sketch, you'll see that you address the shield using its I2C interface, and you can transmit bytes to it to ask it to turn on or off any of the relays. So I'm not going to go through the sketch. You've got enough knowledge to work it out on your own in this case, but I'll upload it and show you what it does. Right, bring up the serial monitor and let's switch on the first relay. Done. Second, third, and fourth. And switch them all off. Done. Right, so it's very easy to just make it possible very easily without having to fiddle around with transistors and diodes and any electronics, really, to have a lot of relays in your project. Another possibility is something like this. So this is a Spark core that I've been using lately. It's basically an Arduino compatible with embedded Wi-Fi. It's got a much more capable microprocessor on this thing. But from the same place that you can get your Spark cores, you can also get shields like this, provide relay capability. And it's another alternative that you can use. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture and you feel more confident using not just relays, but interfacing your Arduino with larger loads than what you've been doing up to now. As always, if you have any questions, any queries, don't hesitate to get in touch.